Today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Staying up to date with the latest makeup trends can be so hard, but don't worry, that's what I'm here for. We've strayed away from the days of being completely matte and also from over highlighting. Today, one of the most popular makeup styles is called cloud skin, which focuses on radiance and blurring your skin. It's that lit from within look that just enhances your beautiful features. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, we're going to be starting off with skin prep. I like to start off with milky essence and just press this into my skin. And don't forget to put a moisturizer on. I like using moisturizers that are a little bit thicker because I give my skin a little bit more plump. Now, let's get into makeup. I'm starting off by using a radiance primer. For cloud skin, it is really important that your base itself is glowy. Next, I'm going to be taking a lightweight matte foundation and just applying this into my skin. And I'm only avoiding my under eye area. Let's move on to concealer. I'll be using the Subtle Beauty Concealer in the shade Arlington. And I honestly really like to warm this up with my finger and apply this right underneath my eyes and just gently tap this into my skin. Now I'm actually going to use a concealer in a darker shade to bronze my face. And today I'll be using the shade Morningside. I'm gonna go in with my sponge right into the product and start bouncing it onto my cheeks. You want to make sure that this is blended in very well with your concealer and your foundation so it looks undetectable. Now that we have our foundation, our concealer, and our bronzer on, we're going to use the Subtle Beauty Shine Control Powder to remove any excess shine while still keeping the glow. On my powder puff, I'm just going to go into the powder and begin to press this into my skin. It will immediately soak up any oil on your skin to give you a blurred finish. And you're going to want to apply this in your T-zone where you get most oily. And now we're going to do my favorite part about cloud skin. I'll be taking the Subtle Beauty Lip and Cheek in the shade Mauve, taking it onto a brush and going right over the powder just on my cheeks, just like that. And what I love about doing this is it brings this beautiful glow to your skin without having to remove any of the blur from the powder. We're gonna add a little bit on the nose too. I'm gonna add my favorite lip balm in the shade Cake Pop. That tastes delicious. And this is the completed look. This is cloud skin. It is natural, it is quick, it is simple, it is easy, and you can do it all with the Subtle Beauty makeup stack. Comment below if you want to try cloud skin. And don't forget to subscribe to see more Subtle Beauty makeup content. See you next time.